may I not desire future results.
Okay, Subhadra, yes, you can say the. She cannot.
श्री भीष्मवाचा इति मतिरुपकल्पितभृतेष्ण भगवति सात्वता पुङ्गवे विभुम्नि श्वशुकमपगत क्वाचिदेहर्तुं प्रकृतिम् उपेयुषि यद्भावप्रवाह. Next slide, Mataji. त्रिभुवनकमनं तमालवर्णं रविकरगौरवरम्बरं ददाने वपुवलाकाकुलवृत्तनभज्यं विजयाशकेरतिरस्तु मेन् अनवद्या. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Thank you so much. Now done.
Can I repeat this sloka that just now Subhadra said, the second one with you, Mataji, please? I don't know it.
Yes, I will help you. Okay.
Thank you, Mataji.
Yeah. First, Janavi, you will say the sloka and you both together say, okay?
Yay!
Janavi, come. Janavi, say. See, Bhagavan.
After that, give that you go.
Yes, yes. उपकल्पतते
Krishna Bhagavati Sattva Susukam Swasukam Upagate Kwachit Vihartum
प्रकृति के योषि
Yusi Yat Praha. Thank you, Mataji.
त्रिभुवनाकमलं तमालवर्णं रविकारवरं परं
Don't touch it. Okay.
Kilagulo namas.
Okay, one second.
Mataji, can you teach us the sloka that what's the new sloka for today?
Yeah, I will. You all can repeat the previous sloka. I think he is joining. Mukunda, do you want to try the revision sloka? And after that, when you finish the revision sloka, we can one-time practice. Yes, Mukunda is joining. Yes, Mukunda. Yes, go ahead.
And Giridhari go.
Yeah, Giridhari also want to go. Giridhari, you can go first and then Mukunda.
Okay. Itimati Sri Vishma Uvacha Itimati Upakalpita Bhutishna Bhagavati Sarvata Pungope Vibhumni Sasukam Upagati Kachit Vyadum Pakiti Pupayusi Adbhava Pravaha Trivubana Kamana Tamala Varna Vavikara Gora Varam Dadane Bapuro Loka Kulove Kolata Kokolovita Ananda Vajam Vijaya Sukaye Vati Astame Andavaya. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Yes, Mukunda, you can go first. Sloka and second sloka.
Shri Bhishma Uvacha Itimate Upakalpitavritrishna Bhagavati Satvata Pungave Vibhumi Swasukham Upagate Kvachad Vihartam Prakritim Upiyasi Yadbhava Pravaha Tribhuvanakamanam Tamalavarnam घोरा वराबर रविकार घोरा वराबरं दधाने वपुरलाका कुलवृताननाम्यां वज्रया सखेरातरस्तु मे नवद्य. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much. You want to read the translation also, Mukund? First sloka and second? Yes, you can read the translation. 1 second. Yes. Do you want to read the translation?
Can open go?
Yes, yes.
Bhishmadev said, "Let me now invest my thinking." Feeling unwilling, which were so long engaged in different subjects and occupational duties, in all-powerful Lord Sri Krishna, he is always self-satisfied. But sometimes, being the leader of the devotees, he enjoys transcendental pleasure by descending to the material world. Although from him only the material world is created. Hare Krishna. I think shall I say the next one also? Translation.
Mataji, Anjana Mataji, you put in Govinda group class will start in 30 minutes. Can you delete that? I already sent the link and I told that class started.
Mataji, you're on mute.
Yes, Pralad, you want to try the sloka? Pralad, Samskriti. And who is there? Yeah, Vasudha, Niharika. Anybody want to try the last two sloka? Otherwise, we all do together, okay?
It's better to do all together.
Yeah, we'll do Brinda. We'll do together also. First, let somebody. Vasudha and Niharika want to try. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, Mataji. Rudra also wants to try Mataji. Sit.
Yes, yes.
Krishna Bhagavati Saraswata Kave Vibhumi Swasukham Bhagavate Koshitam Prakriti Bhupeshya Prabhava.
Yes, go ahead. Next sloka. Yes. Do you want to try next sloka?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, go ahead.
Vijaya Sakhe Rativashtumi Navatya.
Very nice tune. Very nice. Anybody want to try to sloka?
Yes.
Yeah, no. Samskriti, Pralad. Okay, we'll do You can repeat after me, everyone. Shri Bhismavasa.
Shri Bhishma
Shri Bhismavasa. Iti matirupkalpita
Iti Matir Upakalpita Vetrishna
Iti matirupkalpita
Krishna
Bhagavati Satvata Pungave Vibhumni Bhagavati Satvata Pungave Vibhumni
Bhagavati Sadvata Pungave Vibhumne
Bhagavati Satvata Pungave Vibhumni
Bhagavati Sadvata Pungave Vibhumne
So Sukham Upagate Kwasit Bihar So
Swasukhamupakate Kwachit Vihartum
Sukham Upagate Kwasit Bihar
Swasukam Kwachit Vihartum
So Sukham Upagate Kwasit Bihartum
Sukham
Swasukhamupakate Kwachit Vihartum
Prakirtim Upayusi Yadbhava Pravaha Prakirtim Upayusi Yadbhava Pravaha
Pratim Upayasiyadhava Pravaha
Prakritim Upayusi Yadbhava Pravaha Okay, we'll go to the next sloka. Tribhuvana Kamanam Tamalavarnam
Kamanam Tamalavarnam
I will also try, okay? Tribhuvana Kamanam Tamalavarnam
Kamanam Tamalavarnam
Doing it slowly in my brain, that's why you can't hear.
Kamanam Tamalavarnam
Kamanam Tamalavarnam
Ravikara Gauravaram Varam Dadane
Ravikara Gauravaram Dadhane
Ravikara Gauravaram Varam Dadane
Ravikara Gauravaram Dadhane
Ravikara Gauravaram Varam Dadane
Ravikara Gauravaram Dadhane
Kapur Alaka Kulavritananabzam
Kulavritananandam
Kapur Kulavritananabzam
Kulavritananandam
Kapur Alaka Kulavritananabzam
Trying to do it, Mama, I don't get it.
Kapur Alaka Kulavritananabzam जया सखेरातिरस्तु मे अनवद्या जया सखेरातिरस्तु मे अनवद्या
विजया सखेरातिरस्तु मे नवद्या
विजया सखेरातिरस्तु मे अनवद्या
विजया सखेरातिरस्तु मे अनवद्या
Okay, we will go to the today's sloka. Okay, 1 second here. It went so far. Okay, we'll go to first ode by ode. You thee on the battlefield.
Lady on the battlefield.
Turaga horse.
Horses.
Horses. Turaga horses.
Horses.
Rajah dust.
Dust.
1 second, I have to ignore this one. Okay. Vidhumra turned on an ass's collar.
Vidum turned on ashen color.
Piswak waving.
Beeswax waving.
Kacha here. Lulita scattered. Sramavari. Perspiration. Alankrita decorated with.
Alankita decorated with
Asway onto the face.
ashe unto the face.
Mama mai.
Mai
Nikita sharp.
Nishita sharp.
Sarair by the arrows.
Arrows
Vivityamana pierced by.
mana pierced by
Twachi in the skin.
in the screen.
Vilasat.
Vilasat
Yeah,
Enjoying pleasure.
Kavache protecting armor.
Protecting armor.
Astu let there be.
be
Krishna unto Shri Krishna.
Krishna unto Shri Krishna.
Atma mind.
Atma mind.
The battlefield.
On the battlefield.
Where Sri Krishna attended Arjuna out of friendship.
Where Shri Krishna attended Arjuna out of friendship.
The following hair of Lord Krishna throne.
The following of Lord Krishna's turn.
Ascend due to the dust raised by the hoofs of the horses.
Turn
By the host.
the dust raised by the hoofs of the horses.
And because of his labor,
And because of his labor,
beads of sweet watered his face.
beads a sweet wetted his face.
All these decorations
All these decorations
Incentivied by the wounds
Inspired by the
Justified by wound,
did by the sharp arrow,
no, by the sharp,
dealt by the sharp arrows,
my arrow, yes, dealt by my sharp arrow,
dealt by my sharp arrows,
were enjoyed by him.
were enjoyed by him.
Let my mind thus go on to Sri Krishna.
Let my mind thus go on to Sri Krishna.
In this translation, actually in battlefield, Bhishma threw the arrow. Yes, that time Krishna was wounded in the hand, I think, and then even bleed. The blood was coming, but Krishna was not at all angry anything because he likes his devotee so much. He was happy even though the blood was coming from his body, and Prabhupada is commenting in the purport. His body is not like our body. Our body is made from earth, water, air. Yes, gross body is made like that. But his body is made from Satchitananda, like the soul is made from Satchitananda, like his body is also made from, whole body is made from Satchitananda. Yes, his body is different from our body, and soul cannot be caught by God without our moksha. When we read the Bhagavad Gita, we can see that's why even though he throw Bhismadev throw his arrow, it was not affected to the Lord. It looked like actually to bewilder the faithless people. Faithless people thinks, oh, Krishna also got wounded. He also had blood. Blood was coming from his body, and then in that way, the faithless people, atheists thought he is an ordinary person. To bewilder the ordinary person, Krishna saw this kind of activities, but devotee, they always know he is not affected by this kind of arrows, by hurt, anything. His body is transcendental. His body will not be hurt by this kind of weapon. And then that kind of scene is still Bhismadev is remembering when he is in the death bed. He is remembering this kind of scene, how I throw the this arrow, but still Lord was so kind. He was so happy. Sometime daddy, even the sometime the baby, sometime hit daddy. Yes, he sometimes slap daddy sick, or sometime he beat. That will not hamper anything to daddy. Daddy will enjoy. He knows, because this child doesn't know, that also he, for him, that is loving, loving loving exchange only. Yes, that's why Krishna, whenever the Bhishma was throwing the arrow, that time Krishna was feeling the loving exchange. That's why Krishna was not angry, and Bhishma Deva also knew that Krishna will not affected. Our father never affected by childish behavior of the kids. Yes, like that, Krishna will never affected by that this kind of activities. And then seeing that scene in the deathbed, and he's praying. Yes, how Lord face was because of the dust. Weekend last time also we saw this picture how Lord face become so his hair become dusty because so many horses was running in the battlefield. Yes, his face looks so beautiful. His body look even more beautiful, and he is remembering Lord's lotus face. That was the thing's translation. We'll go to the sloka now. One second. Where is that? Okay. Yudi turagarajo.
Yudhi Turagarajo,
Yudi turagarajo.
Yudhi Turagarajo,
Yudi turagarajo.
Yudhi Turagarajo,
Vidhumra visvak.
Vishwa,
Vidhumra visvak.
विश्वास
युधितुरगरजो विधुम्रविश्वाक्
उदितुरगरजो विश्वाक
युधितुरगरजो विधुम्रविश्वाक्
युदितुरगरजो विधुम्रविश्वाक
वचालुलिता
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 श्रमभार्य
समभार्य
समभार्य
श्रमभार्य
कचालुलिता श्रमभार्य
कचालुलिता श्रमभार्य
अलाङ्कृतास्ये
अलङ्कृतास्ये
अलाङ्कृतास्ये
अलङ्कृतास्ये
अलाङ्कृतास्ये
अलङ्कृतास्ये
क्वचालुलिता श्रमभार्य अलाङ्कृतास्ये
कचालुलिता श्रमभार्य अलङ्कृतस्य
अलाङ्कृतस्य
अलङ्कृतस्य
युधितुरगरजो
उदितुरगरजो
विधुम्रविश्वाक्
विधुम्रविश्वाक
कचालुलिता श्रमभार्य अलाङ्कृतास्ये क्वचालुलिता
कचालुलिता
भार्य अलाङ्कृतास्ये
श्रमभार्य अलङ्कृतस्य
श्रमभार्य अलाङ्कृतस्य
अलङ्कृतस्य
अलाङ्कृतस्य
अलङ्कृतस्य
कचालुलिता समभार्य अलाङ्कृतस्य
कचालुलिता श्रमभार्य अलङ्कृतस्य
युधितुरगरजो विधुम्रविश्वाक्
उदितुरगरजो विधुम्रविश्वाक
कचालुलिता श्रमभार्य अलाङ्कृतस्य
अलङ्कृतस्य
मामानि सीता
सीता
मानि सीता
सीता
सारैर् विविद्यमाना मामानि सीता सरैर्विविद्यमाना
सीता
मामानि सीता सरैर्विविद्यमाना
सीता सर्वमनाना
मामानि सीता सरैर्विविद्यमाना युधितुरगरजो विधुम्रविस्वक्
तुरगरज विदुम्रविश्व
वाचालुलिता श्रमभार्य अलङ्कृतास्ये
काचालुलिता समवार्यलातस्य
मामानिशितशरैर्विविद्यमाना
अनुषिता शर्वेद्भिद्यमाना
ममानिशिता
ममानसिता
शरैर्विविद्यमाना तोची विलासत्
प्राची विलासात्
तोची विलासत्
प्राची विलासात्
कवचे अस्तु कृष्ण आत्मा
कवचेस्तु कृष्ण आत्मा
कवचेस्तु कृष्ण आत्मा
कवचेस्तु कृष्ण आत्मा
तत्त्वेस्तु कृष्ण आत्मा
तोची विलसत् कवचेस्तु कृष्ण आत्मा
वचिस्तु
आत्मा
कवचेस्तु कृष्ण आत्मा
कवचेस्तु आत्मा
तोची विलसत् कवचेस्तु कृष्णात्मा
प्राची विलासात् कवचेस्तु कृष्ण आत्मा
कवचेस्तु कृष्णमात्मा
युधितुरगरजो विधुम्रविस्वक्
युधितुरगरजो
युधितुरगरजो विधुम्रविस्वक्
युधितुरगरजो विधुम्रविश्वा
वाचालुलिता श्रमभार्य अलङ्कृतस्ये वाचालुलिता श्रमभार्य अलङ्कृतस्ये
ललिता श्रमवार्यालङ्कृतस्य
मामानिशिता शरैर्विविद्यमाना
ममानिषिता शरमेधिनमाना
मामानिशिता शरैर्विविद्यमाना
ममानिषिता शरमेधिनमाना
वाची विलसत् कवचेस्तु कृष्णात्मा
प्राची विलासात् कवचेस्तु कृष्ण आत्मा
विलसत् कवचेस्तु कृष्णात्मा
प्राची विलासात् कवचेस्तु कृष्ण आत्मा
last time and then you all can last time and you all say the sloka nicely, okay? युधितुरगरजो विधुम्रविस्वक् वचालुलिता श्रमभार्य अलङ्कृतस्ये
ललिता श्रमवार्यलङ्कृतस्य
मामानिशिता शरैर्विविद्यमाना
मामानिषिता शरैर्विद्यमाना
मामा शरैर्निशित्या विविद्यमाना
मामानिषिता शरैर्विद्यमाना
विलासत् कवचेस्तु कृष्णात्मा
प्राची विलासात् कवचस्तु कृष्ण आत्मा
Vilashat Kachvestu Krishna Atma.
Yeah, you all can raise the hand and you can practice. Yes, you
Can I
can
sing?
say the sloka.
Can I sing?
Mataji, can Mukund go?
Yeah. Yes, Mukund. One by one you can raise the hand. Yeah, Mukunda. You can go.
Yes, Mataji. Yudhitaragrajo vidumra vishvak Kachalalita Shamavaryalankritasye Mama Nishita Sharadvibhidyamana Tvachi Vilasad Kavachestu Krishna Atma. Hare Krishna.
Thank you.
Mataji, can
Yes, Prahlad. Yes, Prahlad. Go ahead.
युधितुरगरजो विदुम्रविश्वा काचालुलिता श्रमवारि अलङ्कृतस्य मामानिशिता सरर्विविद्यमानां त्वाचि विलासात् कवचेस्तु कृष्ण आत्मा.
Thank you. Subhadra. Yes, Subhadra. Go ahead. Subhadra, you want to say? You are raising the hand, Subhadra.
Can Shubhadra go?
Yes, Subhadra. Yes.
Shubhadra, did I go?
Yes, both you can do.
Yuditurgarada Vidamya Vishwasdak Kachalulita Samnavaya Alankritasye Mamani Sita Sari Vidyamana Vatsit Vilashal Kachestu Krishna Atma.
Thank you, Brinda and Janavi. Yes, come. Brinda, Bala Brinda, do you want to try? I'll help you. Yes, say if you know. You the.
Can I say what?
Yes, both Janavi and Brinda. Okay, you both repeat after me. Okay. You the Turagarajo. You the Turagarajo.
Gulajalago
Bidhumra Viswak. Vidumra Viswak. Kasalulita. Sramavarya. Alankritasye. Samavarya alankritasye. Mama nisita sarair. Vividyamana. Tosi bilasat. Kavachestu Krishna Atma. Thank you, Vrinda and Janavi. Anybody want to try Manmay Krishna Gayatri and Advait? Anybody want to try? Is there? Even Sri Kengati. Anybody want to try Gayatri? Do you want to try?
Sure.
Yes, go ahead.
Viswak Kachalulita Samavarya Lankritasye Mama Nisita Sare Vidyamana Twati Vilasat Kavachestu Krishna Atma.
Thank you. Very nice. Manmay Krishna, do you want to try any of the sloka? You couldn't get chance before saying the 3 sloka. You all try because some kids did. I know Prahlad, I could not try the before sloka. This one. Yes, Itimatir, you can say Manmay Krishna.
Itimatir upakalpita.
Itimatir upika
Kalpita.
kalpita
With Krishna. Bhagavati. Satvata. Pungave. Vibhumi. Swasukham. Upagate. Kvachit. Vihartum. Prakrim. Upeyushi. Yadbhava. Pravaha. So thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much. Yes. Okay, we all three together 3 sloka do and then we'll end the call, okay? You all can repeat after me or anybody knows the sloka, they can also lead, you know. Anybody want to lead the sloka? Yeah, Mukunda. Yes, Mukunda. You can lead the sloka and then other everyone can follow you, okay? You know the sloka. Yes. Can you speak little loud?
Vacha
Shri Vishnu Vacha
iti matirupakallpita vetrishna Bhagavati satvata pungave vibhumi Svasukham upagate kvachid vihartam Prakritim upayosti yadbhava pravaha Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Next sloka who want to try? Anybody want to lead? You know the sloka? Come. Tribhuvana Kamanam.
Can I say Mataji? Kanaram
Come on.
Tamalabainam
Then if you want to try, after that Subhadra's turn. Okay. Tribhuvana Kamanam Tamalabainam.
Ravi Karakoram Baram Baram Dadane
Ravikara Gauravaram Dadhane. Papuralaka. Papuralaka Kulavritananabjam Vijaya Sakhirati Rastu Me Anavadya Vijaya Sakhirati Rastu Me Anavadya. Yes, Subhadra, yes, you can do Subhadra. Now we follow.
Tribhuvana Kamanam Tamalavarnam
Tribhuvana Kamanam Tamalabarnam
Ravikara Gauravaram Baram Dadane
Ravikara Gauravaram Baram Dadane
Vapuralaka Kulavritananabhajyam
Bapuralaka Kulavritananabjam
Ashakerati astu me anavadya
Vijaya Sakhirati Rastu Me Anavadya. Thank you so much. Last sloka. Prahlad want to try to lead? You want to try, Prahlad? Or anybody? Samskriti, you want to try any slokas?
Mataji, I think I can try the first one.
Yes, you can try first one. Yes.
Shri Vishnu Vacha
You go.
Upakatita Krishna Bhagavati Satvata Kave Vibhumi Savasukam Bhavati Prayasmitam Prakritam Upasiyam Mahaprabhaha. Thank you.
Thank you. Bala Brinda, you want to try the first sloka?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, you lead the sloka.
Jai Madhiro Upakalpita Vidishna Bhagavati Satvata Bungave Vibhumni Swasukam Upakatre
Watch it.
Vajit Vihardum Pakutem Yusi Yaktavaha.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Mataji.
Mataji, next ones you want to try?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, Mataji, with you, Mataji. She don't know that one.
Okay. Brinda, you want to try with Mataji?
I know that one.
Yeah, I want to try with Vinaya Mataji.
No, Mataji will tell. Anjana Mataji will teach you.
No, you.
Come on, Mataji, please help her, Mataji.
Tribhuvana. Tribhuvana. Samana Bainam.
Punaha Mana Varnam
Ravikara Gaurabaram Baram Dadane. Gaurabaram Baram Dadane.
Ravikara
Gauram Vara
Baram Baram Dadane.
Dadane. Okay. Next line, Mataji.
Vapuralaka Kulabretananabzam.
Vapurvakana
Kulabretananabzam.
Vapurvakala
Tananabzam. Vijaya Sakherati-rastu me anavadya.
Vijaya Sakherate Astu me Anuvidya.
Thank you, Vrinda. This one, last sloka, Bala, you want to try? We all follow and then we'll in the call. Anybody want? Yes, go ahead.
Can I say?
Yes.
Can Should I say the shloka?
Yeah, you say and then we'll repeat after you.
Yudi Turagaraja Yudi Turagaraja Vidum Ravishwak
Yudi Turagarajo Bidum Raviswak.
Kacha Lulita Samavari Alankritasye
Kacha Lulita Samvaryalan Kritasye.
Mamanishita Salalal Vibidyamana
Mama Sita Sarair Divityamana.
Tvachi Vilasat Kavachestu Krishna Atma
Vachi Bilasat Kavachestu Krishna Atma. Thank you so much, everyone. You all did very nicely. You are learning. We'll practice every week and then you will get the sloka. No need to worry. Yeah, like Kunti prayers, how you get. Yes, they have only 10 sloka. 10 sloka you can practice easily. Yes, thank you so much,
We learned
kids.
3 slokas.
Yeah, 3 sloka you already learned. You can practice
So
every
we
week also.
have to learn 7 more.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Now we can end the call.
Kalpaturu Vesha Tirtha Sindhubhya Evata
Patitanam
Patitam
Pavanebhyo
Pavanebhyo
Vaishnavebhyo Namo.
Namo.
Thank you so much everyone for
Thank you,
joining.
Mataji.
Mataji.
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Gati Vaishnavindra ki jai.
No, we both can do it.
Yay.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Manmai Krishna. Bye bye.